silipin natin dating pagsali ni Jam sa Mrs. Calapi 2024, Part 1.
Alright, our top three taking the first spot. Who's your best? Pasok ka! Confident! Number 2! Salukan sa tayo! Candidate number 2. Yung microphone. Are you ready for your question?
Yes.
Okay, here's your question. Why are you competing in this pageant?
Thank you for this wonderful question. I'm competing in this competition to bring home the crowd to the Manukan chapter and to see to the people here my talent and the ability to prove that I can hold the ground. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 2.
So what do you
Right, the moment of truth. This time, we are going to announce yan, yung ating Mrs. Calapi 2024. Candidates, come on here. Alright, gising ba ang lahat?
Yes!
Okay. Our second runner-up to be awarded by our judge number 1, Miss Marjorie Monica.
And invite again namin ang ating mga special guests.
Come on here po. Siyempre ang ating Vice Mayor. And ang ating mahal na Vice Mayor. Come on here po.
Kapitan and Kapitana on board and
Mag-Gigi.
pupunta tayo. Dito ba tayo, sir? Thank you.
Our second runner-up, Mrs. Calapi 2024. Congratulations, Phil. Pino, give it to me now. Candidate number
6. Sa gitna po tayo, please.
Yes, sige na po tayo.
So ito, right, please. Hawak ka ba?
Ang tatawagin natin ay yung first runner-up. Sabi na. Okay, tatawagin natin Mrs. Calapi.
Pero, okay, quiet please, para maintindihan ng lahat. Okay? Ang tatawagin namin ay Mrs. Calapi na agad. So, meaning to say, please quiet please, meaning to say, ang matitira, automatic siya ang first runner-up. Naintindihan po? Okay. So, the first runner-up, ang mag-award ay ang ating judge number 3. At sa Mrs. Calapi, of course, ipapasa ang crown. At kasama dito sa harap ang Mrs. Calapi last year, 2023, si ma'am number 2. Dito na po tayo.
Okay, here we go. Our Mrs. Calapi 2024. Lumos ang singawan! Tayo Manilos, Mrs. Kalipi 2024, congratulations to number. Let's focus.